So I started a series, I've only done one video, but this is the second video, where I randomly go to Amazon and I look for everyday carry items where I know nothing about the maker and I know nothing about the item. Then after I bought it, I would do a first impressions video and let you guys know what I thought about it. Well, as I was scrolling Amazon, I came across the company that I did know of previously. That company's name is Hide and Drink, and you guys might know of them already. They've been around for a while, and as I said, I knew about them because I have this item right here. This is sort of a pocket organizer that I put in my back pocket, and I just put my wrenches and some tools in here. I've had this for about 5 years, and it is still in fantastic condition. And this right here, this is just a leather mouse pad that I use at my computer station when I edit. So like I said, I did know of this company, but the item that I spotted, I didn't know they made, and that is a wallet. So in this specific video, I'm sort of cheating, where I do know about the company, but I just didn't know about the item they made, which is this guy right here. This is the Hide and Drink leather EDC pocket wallet / cash organizer. That's just the description on Amazon. There's no official name for this, I don't think. But it is still in the plastic. I did not open this up yet, so let's do that right now. All right, I am excited for this one because like I said, I had no idea that Hide and Drink made wallets. Technically, this is an EDC pocket organizer, but they advertise it as holding your cash and cards. Right now on Amazon, this is available in 4 different colors. I got the bourbon brown version, but that's enough talk. Let's cut this open and check it out. This is what I've been waiting for, just to see the quality. And if the quality of this wallet here is anything like my tool pouch right here, I'm going to be happy. And oh yeah, so yeah, it feels like the exact same leather here. So I'll give you guys a close-up of this bad boy. See that in the front? So it looks like in the front of this, there's 2 pockets. On the back, there's nothing, and there's a zippered pocket that, let me see on the inside, because I didn't really look at it too much. It's just a pouch right here, no pockets on the inside of that pouch, so it looks just like a zippered pouch with 2 pockets on the outside. And what else did it come with here? It looks like just a little chain that advertises Hide and Drink. Pretty cool. And what is this? Oh, a card. And QR code. And on this slip right here, it says batch number 1. I'm not really sure. You guys can see that right there. It's kind of hard to read, but it looks like it was made in Mexico. And let's start talking about this EDC pocket organizer right here. So as I already mentioned, it comes in 4 different colors. This is the bourbon brown. All of Hide and Drink's gear comes with a 101-year warranty. 101-year warranty on this. So I think that's fantastic, especially considering the price. I paid $23 for this. And I know it's handmade out of full grain leather, but there's no information on where that leather is sourced from or the type of leather that it is. It's just listed as full grain leather, hand cut and hand stitched. The dimensions are 4.75 inches by 3.75 inches, and it weighs about 1.44 ounces. Let me just backtrack. I said it was hand cut and hand stitched. This is hand sewn with a machine. So this is a machine stitch. And I should have known that just by looking at it, but I was just going by what Amazon said in its original paragraph. But scrolling down a little bit, it clearly shows hand sewn with a machine. But it's the same deal here with this tool pouch here from my pocket. I carry this literally every day for work, and I've owned it for about 5 years, and look at that stitch. Not one single stitch has come undone yet. So being full grain leather, of course, I have to do a smell test. I'm getting absolutely nothing here. Yeah, that's really weird. Yeah, either something's wrong with my nose or this just doesn't have a smell at all. That's a little bit disappointing, but that's no big deal at all. So now let's start talking about the actual design of this EDC organizer. It's a vertical style EDC organizer with a single pouch that is zippered on the top. Enclosed, it starts at the top and it goes about midway down the side of the wallet. And yes, this is a YKK zipper, as you can see right there. And I just want to say that this has a very rustic look and feel to it, especially if you get this bourbon brown color. And I love the actual design here too. It's designed to fit the contours of your pocket. Most pockets are shaped like this, so it is taking up less space in your pocket when it's on the bottom. And let me just check that out real quick, because obviously I just opened this, and once it's in my pocket, there's the corner piece, and that's the corner of my pocket. Oh yeah, this fits the exact contour of my pocket right there. So I like that. It takes up less space on the bottom of your pocket by not sitting on top of that stitch. And the only branding on this wallet is the Hide and Drink stamp right there on the bottom. And that's basically it. So now let's start stuffing some cards and cash in there, because they don't really state how many cards or dollar bills this thing can hold. And being a pouch style wallet is gonna hold a ton. Here's 10 flat cards. I'm just gonna stuff them all in at once. And yeah, not a problem at all. Here are 10 American dollar bills. You don't have to do anything more than just folding them once. Zipper that right up. All right, I had a little trouble at the end there, but I'm guessing that's just because it's a brand new wallet. 10 credit cards, 10 American dollar bills, push them down as far as I can, zip it up. There we go. Much better. So I'm just gonna stop there. I know I can keep going and continuing to stuff more cards or cash in there, but look at this. You can see that there's so much more room in there. So I'm gonna say 10 cards, 10 bills folded in half. I'm gonna stop right there. But I was more curious about what these two pockets can hold on the outside. So I wanna start with something that would probably fit the Benchmade Osborne 940. I'm just gonna try this first pocket right here and stuff it in. This is gonna be very tight at first. So let me see. Right now the pocket clip is holding me up. All right, there we go. So push down, all right. So the Benchmade Osborne 940 right there. So let's push the pocket clip all the way down. You can see just how that fits on that pocket on this side. You can see how far it hangs down. So I feel like if I put it on the other side, it would hang down below the curve right here of the wallet. So that's probably the best spot to put it. So we know it fits the 940 Osborne. What about the Finch Reciprocity? And that fits a little bit better, but I'm guessing, oh no, wow. Yeah, that fits very nicely. I actually really like how the Finch Reciprocity sits in there, but I'm gonna try one more. It is the Benchmade Bug Out. And oh yeah, man. Get the pocket clip up and over it. And that fits very similar to the 940 Osborne, but if I keep pushing it down because of that deep carry pocket clip, it just looks a little weird. You can see how far it's hanging down, so you almost have to have it sit somewhere in the middle like that. But regardless, this just shows you what size knife you can get into these pockets here. Now let's go to the other pocket over here. I'm gonna try some flashlights. This is the Olight i3T in titanium. I'm gonna start small, get the pocket clip up over it, and all right, there we go. So hopefully this is stretching out that pocket a little bit, because that fits very nicely. But now let's try the AceBeam PokeLit AA flashlight in copper. Oh man, yeah. All right, push it all the way down with that deep carry pocket clip. There we go. And lastly, I'm gonna try the Olight i5T in copper. This is a little bit thicker. Oh yeah, not a problem. Very nice. So now the question is, with the i5T in here, will it fit, say, the Osborne 945 right next to it? Because now it's getting a little, oh yeah, that's not even a problem. That's not going to affect it. This pocket clip though on the 940 Osborne is giving me a little bit of issues right there, just because it's a very stiff pocket clip, but there we go. So this is pretty cool. It can easily hold your knife and a flashlight of these sizes right here and still carry 10 cards and 10 American dollar bills folded in half pretty nicely. So this is what I was talking about right here when I tried to zip it back up. So you can see, because of these items on the outside, it's sort of messing with the curvature of that zipper. Just based on the curvature that that flashlight is creating right there, it sort of snags up a little bit. There we go. But just be aware, it's not a deal breaker or anything like that, but just be aware if you have a flashlight the size of the i5T, it could do that. Or you can just go with a slimmer flashlight like the i3T here, the Olight i3T, and Yeah, it still sort of does it, but not that bad. You could reverse these two, put the flashlight here and the knife over here, and probably alleviate that just a little bit. But my first impressions here are fantastic. I can't get over the quality and the functionality for 23 bucks. Hand cut, machine stitched, 101-year warranty at $23. And this is exactly why I wanted to start doing videos like this. Just randomly testing out gear that I didn't know existed and reporting back to you guys and giving you my honest thoughts. And if you're anything like me, you didn't know this existed, and at $23, this is a fantastic deal. My only negatives here are that I usually don't go for a zippered style wallet, but if you look at this as more of an EDC pocket organizer, I do have a lot of pocket organizers that are zippered. So if you look at it that way, it makes total sense, even though you could just use this as a wallet and nothing else. And another small negative is what you guys just saw. If you have a larger flashlight right here towards the end, it might mess with the functionality of the zipper. But I feel like after everything gets worn in, that won't be so much of a problem anymore. So the final verdict is I like it. At 23 bucks, it won't break the bank. It's made of full grain leather, 101-year warranty. You really can't go wrong here. It holds a ton on the inside and it doesn't skimp on the gear you want to carry on the outside. And if you guys want to check this out for yourself, I will have links down below in my description box, along with these other two items that I showed you right here. I bought this years ago. I love this thing. I use this all the time when I'm editing. It's just a little leather mouse pad. And this right here, I can't recommend enough. I hold 3 wrenches in this of various sizes all the time in my back pocket. And you can see that stitching is holding up. And I forgot what I paid for this too about 5 years ago, but I think it was about 20 bucks. When I'm editing, I'll look it up and pop it on the screen, but I'll have links for this down below as well. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!